Operations of integers will include the basic arithmetic operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In maths, integers are the numbers that include all the positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero, including fractions.
Addition of integers. Example: so negative 7 plus 2. So the negative 7 is the big number. So the plus is mahimog minus and copy the negative 7 and the positive 2. So negative 7 minus positive 2 is equals 5. So the 7 is the big number, so copy the negative. Subtraction of integers. Example: negative 6 minus negative 2, and the negative 6, copy the negative 6 and the minus is mahimo og plus and copy the negative 2, and ang negative sa 2 mahimo plus and copy na sa 6 but no negative. So 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, negative 6 minus 2 equals 4. And the big number is the 6. So copy the negative. And negative 6. So minus gihapon. So negative 6 minus 2. So the big number gihapon is the 6. And 6 minus 2. Multiplication of integers. Example: so negative 2 times negative 5 is equals 10, and copy the negative. And positive 4 times positive 3 is equals 12, and copy the positive the 4 because the big number is 4. And negative 6 times positive 5 is equals 30, and copy the negative 6 because 6 is the big number. Division of integers. Example: So negative 10 divided by negative 5 equals 2. And the negative into 10 is mahimong og positive. And the answer is positive 2. Positive. And nahimo siya og positive. Positive 12 divided by positive 3 is equals 4. And copy the positive sa 12 because the 12 is the big number. And the answer is positive 4. Negative 50 divided by positive 10 is equals 5. So 50 is the big number, so copy the negative. So the answer is negative 5.
Factoring trinomials is the process of finding factors for a given trinomial expression. These factors are expressed in the form of binomials that are the sum and product of the terms in a trinomial. Example, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Before we start, we should know that the leading coefficient of this is 1. No need to write it down. Now let's think about the factors of 10 that will give us the sum of 7. Let's use 5 and 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And 5 plus 2 is 7. So these will be the ones we need. Since our leading coefficient is 1, automatically our pattern is simply x plus 5 times x plus 2 since they're both positive. So these are our factors.
Evaluating a function means finding the value of f of x or y equals that corresponds to a given value of x. To do this, simply replace all the x variables with whatever x has been assigned. For example, if we are asked to evaluate f of 2, so write the given first. Example, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Find the value of f of 2. So you write this. F of 2 equals 3 of 2 squared minus 2 and 2 plus 1. So write this. F of 2 equals 3 2 squared minus 2 2 plus 1. We are going to multiply 2 times 2 first. So you write this. 2 times 2 equals 4. And write it 3 minus 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1. So you multiply it 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 minus 4 plus 1 equals 12 minus 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. So f of 2 equals 9. So here, we're going to find the value of 4. So, example 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Find the value of f of 4. So write the given first. F of 4 was 3 of 4 squared minus 2, 4 plus 1. So you're going to multiply 4 squared first. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Then you write 3 minus 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 plus. So you are going to multiply 3 times 16. So 3 times 16 equals 48 minus 8 plus 1. So 48 minus 8 equals 40 plus 1 equals 41. So f of 4 equals 41. So that is all, guys. I hope you learn a lot from me. Bye.
Operations on functions are those that can be performed on functions, such as arithmetic operations. The most common operation is addition, but subtraction, multiplication, and division are also possible. Let's say we have f of x equals 3x minus 5 and g of x equals 4x plus 6. Now find a and b. Quantity f plus g of x, and letter b, quantity of f minus g of x. We need to find a and b. Let's start on a. Now let's start on a. Quantity f plus g plus x is equal to f of x plus g of x. All we need is to substitute. The equivalent of f of x is 3x minus 5 plus the equivalent of g of x is 4x plus 6. After substitution, all we need to do is combine like terms. 3x plus 4x equals 7x plus negative 5 minus 6 equals 11. And this is the final result for our problem. Let's have another example. Quantity f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x.